Welcome to Elementary Summer Reading Adventure Begins at Your Library for July 30th, 2024, Part 2. Hornswoggled, a Wacky Words Whodunit by Josh Crute, illustrated by Jen Harney. Deer knew something wasn't right. He felt lighter, uneven, less himself. But it wasn't until he looked in the mirror that he discovered the awful truth. This isn't my antler. I've been hornswoggled. Hornswoggle means to trick. So he hoofed it over to his friend Catfish, who was doing cannonballs in the creek. Catfish, Catfish, it's gone. What is it? Can't you see? Some cowardly critter stole my antler. Sorry, she said, I can't see anything without my glasses. But when she slipped them on, she discovered the awful truth. These aren't my glasses. What a load of codswallop! Codswallop means nonsense. So they scurried over to Bison, who was kicking his feet up on the porch. Bison, Bison, there's a thief on the loose. A thief, he said. Let me grab my lucky boots. We'll catch up to the rascal in no time. But when he reached under his rocking chair, he discovered the awful truth. These aren't my boots. I've been buffaloed. Buffalo means to puzzle or confuse. So they skedaddled over to the mayor, who was playing croquet with his cabinet. Mayor, Mayor, some villainous varmint is stealing our stuff. That's terrible, awful, offensively egregious. Fortunately, I've penned a prize-winning speech that will lift our spirits during these dark times. When he reached into his vest pocket, he discovered the awful truth. This isn't my speech. This is poppycock. Nonsense. Humbug. More nonsense. Snake oil. Way more nonsense. Horse feathers. Is this even a word? Hogwash. So much nonsense. Attendez. It is I, famous Belgian detective Pierre Moufette. This is not how we solve le mystère. We must look for clues. We must use logique. We must put on our thinking caps. This isn't my thinking cap. I've been skunked. Skunk means to cheat. It's a crime spree. No one is safe. Where do we run now? Then they discovered the awful truth. Hey, that's my antler. And my glasses. And my boots. And my speech, and my thinking cap. Fox bowed with a flourish. It's true, she said. It was I who took your things, for I am the greatest trickster in the world. I have hoodwinked, tricked, emperors and snookered, trapped, kings. I have bamboozled, cheat, princes, and outwitted, to outsmart, queens. Why, last week, I swapped out the crown jewels with a bag of marbles. Let me show you. But when she reached into her fanny pack, she discovered the awful truth. These aren't the crown jewels. I've been outfoxed. Outfoxed means to beat someone at their own game. The end. We're going to make a fox. What you'll need is some crayons, a glue stick, and your Craft-to-Go kit, which is just this fox template. And a toilet paper roll. This cardboard roll actually is very sturdy. We're just going to use it to get the shape of the fox. So if you want to hold on to it and use it for another craft, that would probably be a nice idea because it's really sturdy. It's not like a regular toilet paper roll. We'll put that aside for now. And the first thing we're going to do is color the fox. I'm gonna make my fox red. And I'm gonna give him orange feet. So I'm gonna go ahead and color, and then I'll come right back. Okay, the fox is totally colored now, sorry. What we're gonna do is you're gonna curve the tail, kind of roll it in a little tight, and it'll take a bigger shape. Just kind of curl it as much as you can. Hold it for a minute and then let it go. And you can straighten it out some if you want. So that's the tail. The body is going to be a little harder. We're going to just kind of roll it in. Try to get a good shape. It's cardstock paper, so it's a little stiff. Alright, see, it's all curved. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it around this to get the shape. And we're going to put some glue. Take that off for now. I'm going to put glue on this. And you're going to have to hold it for a minute. So we're going to go around and get the shape. Glue that together, hold it for a minute. You can stick the tail on at this time too. Put the back of the tail at the base, and it curls around. So we're going to put some more glue on this. Stick the tail on. And we're just going to hold that for a few minutes just so that it sets. Because you don't want it coming apart. That should be enough. Pull out the tube. Like I said, keep that for another craft someday. Oops. I might have put this on backwards. Flip sides. Yes, I put it on backwards. Hold that on for another minute. And there he is. He stands up. And that's your little fox.